Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best gas pressure washer on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. BLUBERY Gas Pressure Washer. BLUBERY Ideal High Pressure Washer delivers triple the cleaning power of a household washer, allowing you to select either a gentle stream to gently scrub windows, or a powerful spray to clean off the toughest dirt and grime. This rugged heavy-duty electric power washer is ideal for a wide variety of outdoor jobs, from washing a car, truck, or motorcycle to cleaning a boat, siding, patio furniture, or any other outdoor area. Our gas pressure washer includes a 30-foot high-pressure hose and 5 different adjustable spray tips for a wide range of applications. This gas pressure washer is perfect for contractors, electricians, painters, car dealerships, body shops, rental agencies, and anyone who requires a durable and efficient high-pressure washer. Load balance construction guarantees smooth and reliable operation during prolonged use. The gas pressure washer has a wide range of applications from power washing, deck stripping, concrete cleaning, stone cleaning, brick cleaning, siding cleaning, gutter cleaning, car care, RV cleaning, pressure washing, patio cleaning, fence cleaning, and more. Number 4. A-iPower Gas Pressure Washer. This A-iPower APW2700C gas power washer features a powerful 2700 PSI 2.3 GPM 7 HP gas engine, enough to handle the toughest jobs. Provides full control over water flow, pressure, and temperature with a multi-function regulator. Comes with 3 different nozzles for different applications. The included detergent injection allows you to use detergent or soap to clean with. Includes a spray gun, garden hose adapter, pressure hose, carrying case, and oil. The A-iPower Gas Pressure Washer is a gas-powered machine that is created with easy-to-use and convenient functions, ensuring less fatigue on your part. Its 3 nozzle attachments are aptly built to increase its functions. It's a pressure washer that is great for home use, giving you time to clean every part of your home. This machine works great with a high pressure and also saves you a lot of time. It has the pneumatic tires, a good amount of weight, and a great handle that makes it easy to operate and move around. Number 3. ENGINDOT Gas Pressure Washer. ENGINDOT Gas Pressure Washer is a gas pressure washer with 3,200 PSI, built for heavy-duty cleaning. This gas pressure washer has a 209X C4-stroke OHV engine. A pressure washer includes soap tank and easy tilt wand. The one-touch detergent tank will keep your job moving with ease. Equipped with soap injectors, spray gun, and 3 nozzles, this pressure washer is ready for any job. With a flow rate of 2.4 GPM, you can get pressure washing jobs done fast. If a chore needs doing, this gas pressure washer is up to the task. It is a user-friendly machine equipped with a soap tank, 5 quick-change spray nozzles, 2-in-1 lance, and pressurized gun. It also comes with a heavy-duty hose and a wand that can be detached into 2 sections. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning Gas Pressure Washer. The Simpson Cleaning MSH 3125 Megashop 3200 PSI Gas Pressure Washer is a gas-powered pressure washer that delivers 3200 PSI and 2.5 GPM for deep cleaning and high-pressure applications. A Honda GCH35 commercial quality 109 engine delivers smooth, consistent power without the noise and vibration found in many lower-quality pressure washers. The convenient onboard detergent tank helps you save time and cuts down on mess when you're pre-treating soiled areas before cleaning. Convenient onboard detergent tank makes pre-treating stains and spills a breeze. Plus, it saves you time and mess by not having to mix your detergent or soap up front. This gas pressure washer is ready for any cleaning task with its powerful Honda G-Cone 190 engine and 3,200 PSI industrial-grade pump. The Quick Connect hose connects quickly to any garden hose and makes storage easy. With a variable pressure dial, you can adjust the pressure as needed. Choose from 5 nozzle tips depending on the task at hand. The 2.5 GPM flow rate provides powerful cleaning of your wood deck, patio, siding, and more. Number 1. Westinghouse Gas Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse gas-powered pressure washer is designed to get the toughest jobs done without any hassle. The Westinghouse WPX 3200 gas pressure washer brings the power of the water pressure to clean away dirt, mildew, grease, oil, soap scum, mold, and many more. The washer comes with a soap tank, spray gun, and wand, 5 nozzles, and a high-quality metal wand. The machine is lightweight and compact with easy mobility. The Westinghouse WPX 3200 gas pressure washer features a 2.5 GPM and 3200 PSI and comes with a hose and attachment for stability. Stable, long-lasting, and made to last. The Westinghouse pressure washer is high quality at a great price. It is lightweight and compact, yet built to last. This washer is a great choice for anyone wanting to use a pressure washer to clean cars, fences, patios, furniture, or any other surfaces. The Westinghouse pressure washer is the right tool to tackle tough jobs around your home and garden. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.